Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 8, 2023, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 8, 2023, Wednesday. Here are the SL Sword 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.